Hi everyone, happy 4th of July. I'm home now. It's been 3 weeks since my surgery. Um, the first 2 weeks was a struggle. I went home, then came back to the hospital again, then I was released. But now, I'm home and starting to heal, starting to eat the food that I like, and using a lot of protein shake. I'm very thankful na naagapan ka agad, and I'm very thankful to God na He's always there on my side. Miracle happens all the time, and I've seen it. I am a witness, and I've been the proven miracle of God. So they just took out my staples last Thursday, so my stitches are really good and it's starting to heal. Kaso mabagal pa rin nga lang ako. I haven't really gained all back my energy, which is my goal. So that's why I'm starting to eat healthy and get on, exercising maybe sooner. Tama talaga sila. Health is wealth. Kasi kahit yaman mo pa sa pag may sakit ka, it's not worth it. Walang kwenta yung mga pera, kailangan talagang alagaan natin ang sarili natin, lalo na sa pagtanda natin, kasi hindi lang naman ang hangad natin sa buhay After all years that we work so hard for our family, now it's time for us to give back and make sure prioritize natin ang health natin. That's my biggest goal, is just to gain back all my energy, be healthy again, and working on my retirement. So samahan niyo ako, join me to this journey of healing, and I'm gonna try my best to vlog every day and share you guys what I'm going through, and at the same time, let's celebrate life every day. Yun ang importante. So I'm happy that I can do this, and I will see you all again. God bless. Take care, guys. Happy 4th. Thank you all for all the prayers. Bye.